For Mr. Cesar Montano po, what preparations did you do po for the role, and what is the biggest fulfillment po as an actor na makagawa po ng ganitong film? Yun po. Thank you.
Isang trivia lang, yung PLM, doon ginawa yung trial ni Rizal. Yeah, doon ginawa. No, that's the site where Rizal's trial was made. Yung totoong trial, yung tunay, hindi yung sa movie, I'll just make it clear. Okay, anong motivation, bakit ginawa namin? Okay, it's we did the movie in 1998. Exactly 100 years when the Spaniards left the country. In 1898 naman sila malis, di ba? Dumating ang mga Amerikano. So 100 years. Yun yung ginawa. So preparation for how to make the movie. 7 months ang shooting the movie, but I was given 7 months to study Spanish also. Hindi naman ako nag-Espanyol Spanish sardines, kumakain kami sa bahay. Pero talagang kung tatanungin mo, isa sa pinaka-challenging part of my career as an actor, siguro isa tong si Rizal. Oo, kasi talagang napakahirap at napakahigpit, napaka-perfectionist ng director natin. Si Direk Maril Diaz-Abay, which is our national artist also. So, sa set, kung dadalaw ka, sa set, pupuntahan mo ko, you have to speak to me in Spanish. Hindi pwedeng kausapin mo ko in Tagalog or in English, hindi. Kailangan in Spanish kasi nakafocus na doon you got kicked out. Pag papaalisin ka talaga. Oo. Kasi masisira ang focus ko Ganon kahigpit. So, what I did, kinuha ko lahat ng librong matitisod ko sa buhay ko about tong si Rizal. Binili ko lahat at binasa ko lahat. At lahat ng pictures niya na available na makikita ko, pinaprint ko ng ganyan, malaki. At dinikit ko lahat sa wall ng aking bahay. Total, binata pa ako ng that time. So, pwede kong ganunin yung loob ng bahay ko. At yung TV ko, lagi nakabukas in Spanish channel. Walang pwedeng maglipat nun kahit natutulog ako. Pinapatay lang yung every time I leave the house. So, laging Spanish. Kasi, mahirap talaga. Espanyol. Lalo yung accent na yun. Yung accent ngayon ng Espanyol, iba sa accent during that time. So, they had to attain that kind of accent in Spanish. And 5 yung nag-a-approve every after the tape. So, i-review sa monitor, titignan yung accent, yung pagkasalita ko, 5 yung bago ipasa, bago we can we can move on to another scene. Oo, ganun kahirap. So, habang nire-review nila, ako nagpe-pray naman ako sana, nasa naman ako. So, ganun, it's so hard, it's so difficult. Mahirap, napakahirap ng si Rizal.